Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our video. So today's video is about TCS off-campus bulk hiring with high package and instant joining. Let us have a look at first opportunity. Now this registrations are open for TCS BPS freshers hiring year of pass out 2022 batch. So if you are a 2022 batch pass out and you are from the stream of arts, commerce, science and you are going to graduate in 2022, then you can definitely apply for this position. Okay. So the last registration end date is 7th of January 2022 and the test date is 26th January 2022. And let us have a look at the details. Application process for TCS BPS fresher hiring. That is, you have to log on to the Next Step portal. You can simply go on the Next Step portal. You can log in with your credentials if you have already have a registered account. If you don't have it, you can click on register here. Okay. So after that, you can click on register now, and then you for BPS, you have to select BPS, that is Business Process Services. If you click on this BPS, then they will direct you to enter some of your details. That is your first name, your date of birth, your gender, your email ID, your mobile number, your institute name, your college name, qualification, year of passing, and then source type. You can select any of the source like direct applicant, buddy, web. Okay, so source name, if someone is recommending you, then you can click on buddy and you can enter their name. If not, if you are a fresher, then you can click on direct applicant. Okay, so the nearest location, you can choose any location. You will, if you choose Pune, then it will come as Pune and you can search it here, or you can do whatever you want. Enter the password, then re-enter the password, then set up a security question for in case if you forgot the password, you can reset it, and then enter this code and click on submit. Okay, so your account will be generated. Now what to do after that? You just have to, I will share with you everything. Now there is a step-by-step guide given by TCS. You can simply go and click here. So when you click here, they will a PDF will come up, and in that PDF, handbook for candidate registration. So in this PDF, they have mentioned in detail everything about it. Now you just have to, what you have to do is log on to TCS campus portal, that is Next Step portal. After doing that, you will be you will have to click on register now. Then after clicking on register now, as I mentioned, choose BPS. After that, you can you will get a registration page like as I've discussed before. This is only for the people who do not have the Next Step account. If you already have, then no need of doing this. You can you can skip this entirely, and you can go into candidate login. You can enter your login details, and after logging in, you have to fill the application form. This is very important. Application form, you have to click on application form, and then you have to fill the entire form. If you have any doubts regarding this application form, you can ask in the comment. We will answer all of the questions. Okay, start filling the form. You have to fill everything, details, your personal detail, your academic and work experience details, your other details, and you can preview the application and accept the declaration and then submit. Okay, so after filling your personal details, your academic and work experience details, your other details, and you will get to the last page, that is application form preview and declaration. You can read all of this information, then preview your application form. Make sure that all the information that you have entered is correct, and then click on this declaration, and then you can agree all the terms and conditions. You can write the today's date. It will be by default. You can enter the location where you are filling the form from, and submit application form. Okay, so then your application would be submitted, and you will get an email that you have successfully submitted your application. Okay, so you can, if you want reference, you can use this step-by-step guide. Click here. So this is a PDF. Okay, now you can also click here and to take a mock test regarding the TCS Business Process Services. Okay, for freshers, and there are some important notes that you must read. You can read it. I will mention all the links in the description box below. You can use that. Okay, now the test eligibility. Now full-time graduates from BCom, Bachelor of Arts, BAF, BBI, BBA, BBM, BMS, and BSc, IT, CS, General, BCA, and like. So if you are from these disciplines, you can definitely apply for this. Okay, backlog criteria, you should have no active backlog at the time of appearing for the test. Okay, so gap certificate, overall gap in academics should not exceed more than 2 years. And these are some of the instructions. Work timing would be like that. You should be dynamic in nature to work in the environment in rotational shifts, etc., night shifts, etc. And verification will be done by TCS. So make sure that you fill each and every information that you have filled must be original. It should not be fake. Okay. So the test pattern would be like this. Numerical ability, there would be 26 questions, and duration time would be 20 minutes. For verbal ability, they will give you 24 questions, and you have to solve that in 20 minutes. And reasoning ability would consist of 30 questions for 25 minutes. Okay, so total 80 questions you have to solve in 65 minutes. So these are some of this is for TCS business process services, and you please do apply. The last date is 7th of January. Now let us move on to the next, which is, so the second part is phase 2, that is TCS off campus for year of pass out 2020 and 2021. If you are pass out from these years, then this is a golden opportunity for you. Please do apply. Okay, so registrations are open till 16th of January and the test has already been started. If you want to register, you can register right now and give and prepare for the test and give the test. Okay, now what is basically phase 2? Okay, so it is the eligibility criteria is that you should have completed your BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, and your year of passing should be 2020 or 2021. Okay, and this is a specific note that TCS off campus hiring test will commence on 8th of November to invite immediate joiners. Okay, so if you want to immediately join TCS, then you can definitely give this test and register right now. Okay, the application process is same as that of BPS. You just have to go on the Next Step portal. You have to log in with your credentials. If you don't have, you can click on register here. The same process you can use. Now if you click on register now, you will be getting two options. Now click on IT. Okay, you specifically have to click on IT. Click on IT, fill this. If you are a new user, new to this Next Step portal, then you have to create an account. After creating an account, you will receive an email and then you can directly log in and fill the application form for TCS off campus drive year of pass out 2020 and 2021, which is phase 2. Okay, so now let us have a look at test pattern. So this will be the test pattern. You will get 120 minutes for part A and 180 minutes for part 2, part B, which will be programming logic 15 minutes and coding section would be for 45 minutes. Okay, so this is a very easy exam, and reasoning ability has 50 minutes. Then again verbal ability will have 30 minutes and numerical ability will have 40 minutes. Okay, now how to prepare with TCS Resonance. So you can use that TCS Resonance. You can click here and you can go to that page and you can read about everything. Now eligibility. So as I've mentioned that you minimum aggregate for all semesters should be greater than 60% or 6 CGPA in each class, 10th, 12th and diploma, graduation, post graduation. So many of the people are confused, like the entire aggregate should be greater than 60%. Okay, so this is one keynote point. The second should be second is highest qualification. Students should have completed their education in the stipulated course, that is no extended period. Okay, and ATKT you should not have any pending backlogs. Okay, a maximum gap should not exceed more than 2 years, that is 24 months. Okay, so you should have done a full-time course, and so these are the basic eligibility criteria. You can go and read through it. So I would suggest that please do apply if this is a golden opportunity for you guys, because the registration date has extended till 16th of January. Please do apply. The link will be in the description. Go and apply fast.